Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch, conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. You became a best.
Hi guys, today I have some crochet hair from Curlkalon, and this is their stock card showing you all the different curls they sell you and their social media profile. This is how the hair came you all, and I have 3 packs of 10-inch carry curl and 2 packs of 20-inch carry curl and 3 packs of Sony curls. This is my braiding pattern, you all, nothing too dramatic. So I'll just use the crochet hook to secure the back of the hair.
Don't take it personally, I did this for me, I did this for me.
This is how the hair looks, you all, and this is the Tony curl, which is the smallest curl, and each pack has 20 strands. So I'll begin crocheting from the nape, and I'll just go in and push the latch hook through the hair, pull the hair through, then I close it and pull the braid through the hair and just knot it once, guys. This is like a natural hair, so it ain't gonna slip, so one knot is okay. This is how I'll be doing the entire hair. Push the latch hook through my hair, open it, pull the hair through, then I close the latch hook and then pull it through my hair and knot the hair once.
You took something from me, forgotten my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move on. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. I did this for me.
Now I'm finished with the Tony curl, and as you can see, I just had it to the back and the sides, just a little at the sides. Now I'll be using the 10-inch carry curls.
I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this.
Now I'm finished with the 10-inch carry curl, so I'll go in with a 20-inch carry curl.
You were everything to me. Words and memories always dead. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me.
This is how it looks when I finish crocheting all the hair. This is a nice hairstyle. It could be worn like this, maybe for a few days before you go in and separate the braids. It is nice and flowy. I know you could go in and just play around with it and just place the braids how you want to do it and just rock it for a few days before. Now I'm back, all dolled up and ready to go in and separate the curls.
Light the sky, so stand in line with all the angels tonight. Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading, but I know you walk with me. I hold to what we created. All my pain wants you to be present. All my love tells you stay in heaven. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels around tonight.
This is how it looks when you finish separating the curls, and it is giving me this afro beat. This is something that can be worn just like how it is. You rock it for a few days or maybe a few weeks, a week, and then you go in and trim it and give you a different look. Now it's time to go in and trim the hair, and I'm just taking this part out of the way and I'm going in with the scissors and just cutting in a downward motion.
No angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with other angels tonight. Were everything to me. Words and memories are wasted. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me what I am chasing. All my pain wants us to be together. All my love tells you rest forever. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die.
Now I'm adding the final touch, just a little edge control to just take care of these little baby hairs, grandmother, teenager, auntie, whatever hair you want to call them. Yeah.
To light the sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight. Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories.
Guys, I am loving this natural look. It looks like it's growing from my scalp, guys. No, you can tell me this is crochet hair. This is what Curlkalon crochet hair gives you guys. So if you like this look, guys, I'll leave all the link in the description. You can go and check their website. How do thank you guys for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. Bye.
I hear your voice call in the night. You too.